Welcome back to Homemaking with Mima. If you are new here, my name is Wendy, and in today's video, it's going to be really different. I am going to be experimenting with some technology, and I am going to bring you along with me. So come and join me. All right, friends, I am going to be pulling my Capcut up. If you've never used Capcut before, it's an editing program and it's free. You can purchase things on the Capcut to do special things, and I have in the past, but I don't use a lot of it, so I discontinued paying for it. I still am a member, but I just use what's free coming to me. But I can purchase things if I want. I'm going to get into what I had videoed to do this experiment with. All right, so here it is. So now I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer. All right, friends. So what I'm going to be using is called AI Clipper. And I'm going to be pushing this button right here. It says Start Clipping. And what it's going to do is it's going to highlight everything that I videoed. It's going to bring it up into a square screen after it's done picking out what should be the highlighted parts of my video to create one video, or of my videos to create the one video. And so, all right, here we go. And as you can see, it's thinking away here. It's going to gather everything that it feels necessary, and it gives some information right here as well. But I'm not going to get into it too much because I'm just experimenting. Okay, so it brought this up and it's already started it. So let me stop it so I can talk. Okay, so give me just a moment here. So I brought you in a little bit closer so you can view it, what it looks like. And it's done its clipping. Okay, so let's see how well it did. Then what I'm doing is I'm seeing if it's going to pick that up and not tech savvy. Okay. I don't really understand how it all works. It's jumped to number 2. And then so it didn't put a lot in there. It took stuff that shouldn't have come out. I'm doing it again, and I'm going to see how well it works for me, and I'm going to post all of this for you. And I'm going to see if it's going to cut things out that need to be cut. Okay, so that was jumpy again, me going downtown. Okay, so let me go to the third one, driving through town. All right, so I'm driving, and I really shouldn't be videoing these sheriff's department cars. They must be doing training. Okay, so it jumped from this one to this one. I'm on my road here. Now it's to the third one. I do not like it, but okay, let me stop this. And let me save this to see what happens again. It does say get clips again. Let me bring you in closer. So right there it says I can get clips again. So I can have it redo it again. And then it says save to timeline. I'm just going to hit the save to timeline. Okay, so I saved it to timeline. Okay, so it's set everything in my bar here that I can work on, and it's highlighted it all white. Do you see that? All the white? That's not normal for regular Capcut. So let me hit the start button here, and we'll play what it's got highlighted right there. Who's a senior, how easy it is to use, and I want to bring you along with me during this journey. So if you hear certain things, then what I'm doing is I'm seeing if it's going to pick that up. And to not tech savvy, I don't really understand how it all works. I played with it a little bit, and then I stopped because I didn't feel confident. Well, I'm doing it again, and I'm going to see how well it works for me, and I'm going to post. Okay, we've listened to that one. So let's go to where I was in the car. And, I went right through the other one, and I think it was red. It wasn't green. Don't need to be in there, and chooses things that it thinks that I might want in there, or that a YouTuber might want. So, like I said, you can go in and edit even more. So it's not like you have to take 100% of what it does for you. That'll be nice to check out eventually here. Oh, there I am videoing my roof of my car. That should have been cut out. Not good. Not good at all. Oh, the stoplight coming up here. This is the one that I believe I drove through. I was so busy thinking about making this video. Driving slow. I mean, come on, it's common sense, people. You don't need to drive out. Okay, that just jumped right to the next one. I didn't even finish my conversation. Let's say you've got... Okay, so we're going to stop this, and I'm going to bring you back to me. All right, friends. I showed you the experiment. I don't care for it. It took out things that I wanted in there, and it didn't take out things that I didn't want in there. So as far as that sensory part of it, I don't care for. And it was very choppy when it was putting the clips together. I mean, extremely choppy. I mean, I know that you're going to have to go in there and re-edit over all of that, because this is only supposed to cut down your editing time, you know, by, you know, they said, someone had said half. I highly doubt that. Maybe 5%, not half. Anyway, I'm not pleased with it. I'm not going to use it for my editing. I just thought I'd play with it because it was free. And I thought, it's free, let me do an experiment. So I have. I don't like it. I'm not going to use it again. I want to thank you folks so much for joining me today. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel, give the videos a thumbs up, and I want you to make it a really great day.